Master your day with this unstoppable morning routine. Here is a single move that, if you do it consistently, can multiply your productivity 10x and allow you to reclaim the free time you once had. Productivity isn't a result of hard work, it's a consequence of doing certain things consistently. What could you possibly do that would multiply your productivity by 10x? Well, based on my research, keep reading all the way to the end and let me share an invaluable secret and a free resource that will give you exactly that. Studies have shown that the most valuable and rarest form of energy is our willpower, and we have the choice to exert ourselves more or less to achieve something we want or desire. Willpower is the inner mind game. But what's the outer action that causes the idea you imagine to come into what we call reality? It is constant, spaced repetition with intention. Repetition is the master. The rarest and most valuable form of action is constant, spaced repetition with intention. This is something that humans can do but other animals can't. Our most valuable state of mind is that of awareness. When we are more aware, we can broaden our perspective and see our lives through a different lens and perceive more than just what's going on in the present. As we develop greater understanding of ourselves, our awareness will generate its own momentum. Research shows that a person of great success is one that has great psychological and spiritual understanding. We've discovered that most of our decisions are unconscious and automatic. They are based on thought patterns that were created at a young age that we crystallized over time with our habits. And we have the ability to change our habits by using our willpower and practicing intentions with constant, spaced repetition. Now, you can either practice repetition physically in your environment or you can do it in your mind. The impact is the same. Surprised? You can visualize something you want over and over again, and over time it will come into your life. The greatest thinkers and leaders of our time agreed that we become what we think about the most, therefore visualizing consistently is one of the easiest ways to bring something into your life rapidly and accurately. The other way is through lots of struggle and toil. Back to the point at the beginning about the single best action you could take on a consistent basis that will positively change your productivity and your business for the long term. The practice that is consistent throughout time and notable amongst leaders we know today such as Tony Robbins, Oprah Winfrey, and Richard Branson, is to establish a physical and mental ritual that you can practice in order to crystallize patterns for success and establish muscle memory over time. You must have it in habit in order to have it, because habits shape your character and your character shapes your destiny. If you're not doing something in your life every day or at least on a consistent basis, then you don't have it habitually in your mental muscles memory. If you do it habitually, you own it and then it's yours to expand and grow. The big secret I am speaking about that's a common thread amongst all great leaders is a morning success ritual, and if you do it consistently, you will have more time, more energy and more money than ever before. When you create a consistent daily pattern of energizing your body, your mind and your potential, you will possess the endurance and the willpower to overcome any challenge and perform better than anyone else who regularly hits the snooze button. Once you have a morning success ritual under your belt, it will crystallize into a long-term habit and eventually your destiny will be brighter and more controllable. And better still, you will say yes to your day and never hit snooze again. The way we are approaching this new pattern is to create a system with the end in mind, so that down the road you will realize all of your efforts. The first 60 to 90 minutes of your day sets you up for success or failure throughout your day. It literally sets you up for big success. If you want great success, you'll want to create a personal success ritual, PSR, that will allow for this, for your contentedness, optimal health and strength. You want to be able to willfully direct your attention any which way you want it to go. You want to be able to sustain a high level of energy throughout your day and particularly into the mid-afternoon where coffee and chocolate is the go-to source for a spike of energy that ends being a sugar or adrenaline crash. It's not sustainable. The reason why you want a morning success ritual is because you need to put your focus on only doing things that you really like and that adds value to yourself. You need to take care of yourself first before doing anything for anyone else so that you're mentally and physically prepared for the challenges that you'll come up against throughout your day. You can start your day with a relaxing and rejuvenating meditation, some exercise and choosing how you would like your day to unfold with powerful intentions. Your morning ritual will ensure that you will be super productive in all areas of your life. Nurturing yourself makes you feel more powerful, attractive, magnetic, more self-confident and proactive. If you like this article, then you'll love this 5-minute video I put together for you on the way to create and plan your own morning success ritual. Click below now to watch it. Want to own your day? Get the 5 morning rituals of super successful entrepreneurs. Get your morning rituals checklist. Own